Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Alamsari. Now I would like to explain to you all about future perfect tense and future perfect progressive tense. Okay, for the first material is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is tense or verb changed to express an event or state something that is predicted to have happened even been completed in the future. So at the time of discussion, there is an action that has not been complete or has not occurred at all. Okay. Next, the formula. There are two formula. The first is nominal sentence and verbal sentence. In nominal sentence have three pattern. For the first is positive formula. The formula is subject plus will, shall plus have plus been plus complement. Next, the negative formula. The negative formula is subject plus will plus shall plus not plus have plus been plus complement. Here in negative formula, we just have to add the not word in the middle of the sentence. And the last is interrogative sentence, interrogative formula. The formula is will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus complement. In the interrogative formula, we just have to move will or shall in the front of the sentence. Okay. The second formula is verbal sentence. Same with nominal sentence. Verbal sentence have three formula. For the first is for the first is positive sentence. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus have plus past participle or verb 3 plus complement. Next is the negative sentence. The negative sentence, the formula is subject plus will or shall plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus complement. And the last is interrogative sentence. The formula is will or shall plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus complement. For example, uh, in nominal sentence, the example in uh, positive formula, for example, they will have been at your house with when the pizza come. And next, the negative formula in nominal sentence, for examples, Mr. Joe will have not been in the office by this evening. And then the last interrogative sentence in nominal sentence, the example is, will they have been here tonight? Okay, there is the example for nominal sentence. Next, verbal sentence. The positive sentence, the example is, Desi will have finished his homework at 8 p.m. And then next, the negative sentence, I will not have finished the report by tomorrow morning. And the last is the interrogative sentence and verbal sentence. For example, will you have eaten when she comes to your house by tomorrow afternoon? Okay, there is a lot of example for nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Okay, okay, I think that's all for uh, future perfect tense. Next, we move to the next material is future perfect progressive tense. Future perfect progressive tense is an action that is happening in the future but will continue into the future. Uh, Characteristic for future perfect progressive, one of the tenses in English that can be said to be rarely used this is because this refers to the present and expresses all events that have taken place since past until now. Okay, when we use this sentence, is used to express an event that is currently ongoing and will continue to occur for some time. This tense has two different forms, namely, will have been doing and be going to have doing. Okay, Future perfect progressive have three patterns. For the first is positive formula, negative formula, and interrogative formula. Okay, for positive formula, the formula is subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Okay, negative formula, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Here, same with the other formula, the other negative formula, we just have to add the not word in the middle of the sentence. Okay, next, the last pattern is interrogative formula. The formula is will plus shall plus subject. Sorry, will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. And yeah, same with the other interrogative formula. We just have to uh, move the will to in front of the sentence. Okay, for example, Dino will have been living in Guangxing for 3 years by next month. The second example is when I finish this course, I will have been learning English the 20 years. Next, the last example, my mother will have been teaching in senior high school for a few weeks before she moved to Bali. Okay, last. In future perfect progressive tense have the time signal. There are when, since, before, and for. Okay, I think that's all for future perfect progressive tense. Uh, I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That's